What is up, YouTube? Busy boy Anthony here, back at it with another video. So for this video, I'm gonna do two things. I'm gonna use this fuel system cleaner because the P0171 code popped up again. I was hoping with what we did in the previous video would fix it, but it didn't. It popped up again. So I was talking to a homie of mine, and he suggested getting a fuel system cleaner. Hopefully it was the fuel injector is a little bit dirty. Hopefully this fixes it, because it does have rough idle, and this is good for that as well. Maximize fuel economy, restores loss of engine power, reduces rough idle, protects against corrosion, prevents spark plug falling. So that's for that. And what's it called it? While I was checking the car a couple days ago, I was checking on the bolts of the headers, the bolts for the headers, and some of them were a little bit loose, so I just retightened all of them. But I come to find that one of the bolts were actually missing. The bottom bolt right here, I'll show you in a bit, but one of the bolts were missing. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and just go over all the bolts right now, tighten all of them, make sure they're good, and then we'll go on a drive and clean our fuel system with this. So let's get started. You guys earlier that one of the bolts were missing, so I don't know if you can see right there, one of the bolts from the bottom side right there is missing. I don't know, or I guess it failed somewhere. It's not around here. I checked already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put in another bolt. I had to buy it online. So yeah, I'll be back when all the bolts are tightened. Got this right here. need to wash that shit. What's up, guys? So after tightening all the bolts and putting on the fuel cleaner, it runs way better. The codes that haven't popped up, the only codes that popped up is the codes for the O2 sensors that I told you about in another video because I have no cats. But that's the only codes that popped up so far, so hopefully it stays like that. And yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for my next video. Probably rate my followers cars, I would guess. If not, probably just wash my car because right now it's pretty dirty. Probably maybe wash the engine bay too because the engine bay is pretty dirty as well. So yeah, so I'll see what I do for my next video. Any ideas, anything, let me know down in the comments. Hope you guys liked the video. Remember to comment, like, subscribe if you're new. More videos coming, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.